Third. Too good. Fifth. What is he doing? Fourth. Finish your drink, please. Second. The boy's having a lot of fun. First, you need a doctor.